So, your Ecovacs Deebot DG3G is stuck in that frustrating Deebot circling loop, all because of a stubborn, faulty wheel. Well, stop feeling dizzy and start feeling relieved because you've landed in the right place. So, what's making your Deebot perform this endless dance? More often than not, the culprit is a faulty wheel on one side. When that wheel gets stuck, jammed, or stops responding correctly, your robot can only pivot, leading to that frustrating spin cycle. Now, ignoring this means more than just an unfinished cleaning job. It can put extra strain on the motor, potentially wear down the other wheel, and let's be honest, it turns your helpful cleaning buddy into a spinning, dizzying distraction. But don't you worry. RoboCare specializes in robot vacuum repair, and we know exactly how to fix this Deebot circling issue on your Ecovacs Deebot DG3G. We've successfully diagnosed and fixed this exact spinning predicament hundreds of times, so we know these machines inside and out. Our approach is meticulous. We'll carefully examine the entire wheel mechanism of your Deebot DG3G, identify the root of the faulty wheel problem, and then expertly repair or replace the necessary components using genuine parts. We ensure it's not just fixed, but fixed right. Let's check out the results, and here it is. After our expert technicians work their magic, this Deebot DG3G is back in action. No more spinning, just smart, efficient cleaning. Straight lines, clean floors, happy home. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
Honestly, the whole experience with RoboCare was just fantastic from start to finish. They were professional, communicative, and most importantly, they actually fixed the problem with my Ecovacs Deebot DG3G. That faulty wheel that caused all the Deebot circling is now a distant memory.
Got a spinning Deebot or any other robot vacuum issue? Don't wait. Contact RoboCare today. We're here to help.